Let me show you a box of RJ45 connectors. There are 10 such connectors in a box. Let us take a closer look. The protective shell of the metal shell has a certain shielding effect. Now let's open it and take a look at the internal structure. We close it, turn it like this, and it locks. This is our 4-core network cable. The 4 colors correspond to the inside of the connectors for connection. After matching, we insert it directly. This is the buckle. We press the wire in to make it easier to lock. Let's press this on and turn it. This completes the connection. Finally, let's take a look at the inside of the connector.